Hi folks, Carlton here from the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Well, it's pretty cold outside, but we're close to 70 in here. That's kind of nice. That clock is not accurate, but the hygrometer and thermometer are. 68% humidity and about 70 degrees. Oh wait, that's what this video is about. We now have SQL Dashboards on the Raspberry Pi. Yes, they make SQL Dashboards from timestored.com for Linux and Mac. I hadn't found that before, but I just was thinking about it and thinking I gotta have the chart right on the Pi. That would be so handy. And sure enough, they make a Linux version, and it was really easy to install. I'll put the link in the description down below, and it works really well. So it's nice having the chart right here in the greenhouse, and be able to look at it live. So you can see, I think I've mentioned this in many other videos, but for those who don't know, we're looking left to right. We're looking over the last 24-hour period, and we're right here. That's the stove right there, the red line. Load her up. Running pure ash. Crackling away. She's roaring. And it's cranking out pretty good. It's up at 150 or so, and I'm just getting ready to restoke it. So this charting system, for those who don't know, runs off a database, a MySQL server, right here on the Raspberry Pi, and so we're just charting from the data that's being collected through various sensors in the greenhouse. This same system also has a couple scripts running to control heating and cooling and thermal mass management, and I'll be adding more and more stuff in the future. But I really just want to show how this works, and show that we can do the charts right on board. And for those of you who don't know, I have a whole series on how to set up a Raspberry Pi to do just this, for environmental controls, for charting, for data logging, all that kind of stuff. I'll put a link to that playlist in this description as well, and you can go check it out, and you can learn how to set up your own Raspberry Pi and remotely monitor stuff and control things and all kinds of stuff. So I hope you found this interesting or informative in some form or fashion, and thank you for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.